Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to hide columns. As example, I will select these two columns, and if you want to hide, you can right click, go to hide option. To show the columns, you can select, and then right click again, you can set unhide. Another option, you also can use the group tools, like example, I will select these two columns, go to data, and then click on group. So we have this option, show and hide. You can click here to hide, and then to show, you can click plus icon. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to hide columns. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.